Welcome back, guys. Let's see how to make $12,000 a month with n8n. Today you'll learn how to complete funnel automation. So, in this tutorial you will learn how to build a complete sales funnel automation using n8n. From capturing leads to nurturing them with emails and updating your CRM, this workflow manages the entire customer journey without manual effort. Agency and business pay big money for end-to-end funnel automation because it directly increases revenue. Selling this setup or implementing it for clients has the potential to earn you $12,000 a month. So what you learn in this workflow? To capture leads via a webhook, store leads inside the HubSpot CRM, automatically send a personalized welcome email through Gmail, add new leads to a MailChimp list for newsletter nurturing, and notify your sales team instantly via Slack. So you have a complete automated sales pipeline in one workflow. Okay, let's start the workflow, guys. So you have first the webhook trigger. This trigger captures incoming lead data from a form or ad campaign. So the path will be named funnel lead. The production or relay will be this funnel lead. Okay. Response will be immediately, and the response code will you can put here 200, 300, how many leads you will take, no matter. Okay, after that you have a HubSpot node that will create or update contact. On the reasons you will put contact. Operation will choose create or update. Okay, and what do this HubSpot node? This node stores the lead information, the email, name, phone directly into the HubSpot CRM. So you see you have here the email, but if you want to put also the name and the phone, you click here, add file. No, not here. Let's put again additional. By okay, yes, here, and you will choose the name. Let's see the name. Here you will choose first name for the second field and the phone number. Let's see, phone number, mobile phone number. This field will be the third field. Okay, so you have now the store lead information, email, name, and the phone. Okay, let's continue. After that, we'll have the Gmail node. Let's open it. Resource, you can choose draft, operation create, and you have an example of the subject. That it's the subject of the email will be welcome to our service, and the message you can put this: hi, name, thank you for your interest. Our team will contact you soon. Perfect. So this is the message from the Gmail. And finally, we have the MailChimp node that does not add the leads into a MailChimp audience for ongoing newsletter nurturing. You'll choose on this add subscriber. So on the MailChimp list, we have a resource member, operation create. This is on the email, we will select the JSON body.email. And here we have the subscribe or pending, depend what you want. Okay, let's continue with the final node, that is the Slack node. This node will alert your sales team in Slack about the new lead, ensuring fast follow-up. Operation post, channel also sell lead, and on the text will be this new funnel lead, name and email. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you on next video. Bye bye.